4, making her way to the ring from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Thea.
You are looking at some highly motivated competitors in this match, looking to steal the show and capture the attention of the entire WWE Universe.
One of the top names of the entire women's division, and she plans on showing exactly why here tonight.
The WWE Universe delivering quite a reaction. Perhaps the most highly anticipated match of the night.
She treats every match like a title defense. That's how she got to this point in her career. Everyone's excited to see the champion here in action, and she looks pretty excited herself to step inside the ring and compete.
She takes pride in being a champion who doesn't shy away from a challenge. Even if her title isn't on the line, I'm sure she'll still deliver a main event level effort here.
But what Thea Hale lacks in in-ring experience, she more than makes up for in a willingness to learn from her mistakes. She's always studying her matches, studying her opponents, and that teachable spirit will allow her to go far in this business.
And that definitely gets to the ropes, and that's going to cause the ref to break the hold. Going to be agonizing for the arm.
Oh, man, right to the arm.
Hyperextend your elbow.
So much damage inflicted. Drop kick. Oh, great height. She's going up.
Top rope here.
Targeting the body. Positioning their opponent.
Springboard disaster kick.
Oh, that'll send a shock down your spine.
Looking for a high-risk, high-reward situation. Oh, plenty of hits coming her way now.
Yeah, and now it's about Thea maintaining some of this pressure.
Showing off the quickness. That'll turn things around in a hurry.
Oh, right to the kidneys.
Golly.
Fails to connect on the springboard. Ouch.
Caught her.
Knee to the midsection. Bang to the neck.
Thea gets the better there.
The whole ring in between them.
Thea Hale ascends up top.
Flying.
Big splash.
Into the pin attempt. And she's not done yet.
She likely knew that wasn't enough. She's just keeping the pressure on.
Ah, kick.
Nasty kick. Kick to the back.
She did her homework there.
What a kick.
On the top. Oh!
And will this be it? Getting the shoulder up before two.
Staying in this one. Moonsault.
Boom! It's okay, they weren't that pretty anyway. Gotta find a way out of this dire spot.
Perched on the shoulders. Feast your eyes.
Thea Hale is in big trouble.
Down.
And a victory! What a win she picks up here tonight!
Here is your winner.
And this was a disappointing result for Thea Hale.
The inexperience factor coming into play for Thea Hale. She might want to hit the books before her next match.